Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Under the hood we have a 2.0-liter i4 turbo engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in gray. It looks great. You do have the chrome accenting with the Hyundai logo up front. You do also have your projector style headlights right there with your fog lights just down and below. And coming around the side here we do have 17-inch rims with our Komu brand tires. They look great. I like those rims as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors right over here. They look fantastic. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have the 2-liter turbo and the all-wheel drive there with the Santa Fe. Then you can lift this up just by pressing that. Lots of room back here as well for storage. It looks great. You can lift this up and you got your jack just underneath there. You can also lift this up and you got some storage just underneath there as well if you did ever need it. Then you can fold those seats forward as well. Okay, we got our keys here. We got that one to lock it. We got that guy unlocks them all. That one opens up the back. You do have your panic button there. It does also have the proximity button here, so you just gotta press it. If you got the key on your person, it'll open up for you. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You do have your handle here with your lock. Handle here, leather on the arm, it feels great. You do also have some storage just down here with a water bottle holder. Looks awesome in here as well. Very soft, very comfortable. And then it does also have the electronic seats down here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support. Then over here we do also have the controls over our Eco, our heated steering wheel, our lock there. We also have our downhill assist, and we do have our traction control and our in-cabin lights there. Then right over here we do have the controls over our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights and low beams, as well as the fog lights. And you can also control your high beams and turning signals there too. Okay, it is a push to start, so keys are in the cup holder. Just gotta put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the middle there, it does tell us our range right now and how many kilometers we have. 46,000, not too bad at all. Now we can change it around to our radio or what we're listening to, our services, like when you need next service. Then you also got this guy that you can change all your personal settings as well. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel. You do have your volume, mute, mode, all of those buttons there. You have your horn here, cruise control options, Bluetooth controls here, and that one does control that menu I just showed you. Got a bit of additional storage just up here, right there. Then you do have in the center here, you have your CD player up here. You have your radio, so you have your FM, your AM, you get your Sirius XM as well. Then you got your media if you have one hooked up there. Then you have your phone. If you have your phone hooked up through Bluetooth, you have your scan, your clock, and your menu there as well. Seek options, your folder. You got your presets down here, power up and down, and your volume. And then you also have your tuner there. Defrosts right over here. We have our hazard lights. You have the circulation there. And then down here we do have our AC, our mode, and our dual climate system there. And that's the dual climate. You got your power up and down here. You have your off and auto. As well as down here you do have some plugins and a USB and an aux cord plug-in. Down here we do have our heated seats. We have our park assist. And then you do also have your gear shift right there. You do have a cup holders here. And in the center you got your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there as well to put whatever you might need to. And then over here you do have a locking glove box with your owner's manual inside of it. And up top you do have some lights and a sunglass holder. Okay, let's take a look on the inside here. Open the door. On the door here you do have heated seats back here, your control over your window. You got your handle and a handle here. This guy is a shade. You can fold it up just like that. And you also have some storage down here, the water bottle holder. Very nice back here as well. It is the same material as the front. Feels great. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest there as well if you did need it. Then you got your cup holders. They fold out just like that. Very cool. They're kind of hidden there. Then you can also fold the seat forward with this guy. Then you do have some additional storage if you did need it. And there's our 2.0 turbo i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video. The 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.